what you wanted to do.
No, babe. Yeah. I've been waiting for you to go to the store because you told me you couldn't do this without going to the store. So do we still need to go to the store?
Yes. Yeah, that fucking plug and the insulation and...
Yeah.
Oh, you're recording.
That's okay.
You ask me questions and it's like, do we still need... And you know we need that plug. There's no way to get around that.
Well, I didn't know if you already...
Now I sound like an asshole on film. Anybody that knows Tina? Kevin? Knows.
Don't even try me. Jack, too. Jack, Troy. They know.
No, they don't. They don't know. They don't know.
No. Well, how does Kevin know?
He just stayed at his house for a few nights and got on his nerves.
What do you mean that's it?
That's where it's gonna live.
Okay.
That's where it's gonna live.
So there's not gonna be...
Permanently mounted. Wow, this is tape from the original factory back in what, 94? What year is this?
93.
93.
See? Did I break it? No.
You broke it. Bottom side corner back there, okay?
An inner tube.
It's hard like this.
Okay.
So it goes down to that backside corner back there. Just so you know that, well, if it suck it from here, it's gonna get air. No, it goes all the way down to the bottom. Alright, you can go get the longer screw.
And that way we can fill it up right there.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, once it's mounted, get the board on there, you'll be able to, when the cushion's on here, you'll be able to take this off, put your diesel in there. I recommend putting a rag here before you do that. Keep the rag in a little Ziploc bag, and you can put the Ziploc bag in here.
Mm-hmm.
That way you don't gotta smell diesel.
Mm-hmm.
And this, yeah, okay, there's a rubber gasket here. So I'm gonna go get the diesel and a longer screw, and we'll kick it on.
Okay. We're getting there, we're getting there, we're getting there. Yeah.
What?
It fires.
Yeah, it's getting warmer. Now that... Oh, it's gonna air out.
Air out.
Yeah, it's gonna air out.
Still doesn't have enough fuel.
I don't know. The glow plug just kicked off.
Okay, so you shut the van off because it was running. We don't have proper lightage.
You don't need light to see this panel. Well, you can hit this and it'll come on. So 13.4 volts.
Time to cover it up.
I think so.
Okay, so we have the cushions back on it.
You can barely hear it.
Oh. Ooh. Yeehaw, it's gonna be so nice. It's gonna be so nice.
I want to hear it.
Okay, so we have to remember, or I have to remember, to turn this up to like 75 if I have it low.
The temperature is inside. You have to go up 2 degrees.
Yeah.
Go Lions.
Go Lions. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
It's 80 degrees in here. See that? It's 80 degrees in here.
No, look, it's so nice. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. We have heat. We just shut it off. It's spinning. Yes. It's very cool. Yeehaw. Good night, people. Thank you, Tony.
Beer time.
Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please press the thumbs up and comment down below. And subscribe if you need to. But for now, Tina the Outsider is out. See ya.